knew that. I either have casual comfy clothes or I have going out with my friends and my titties are out clothes. I need those in betweeners. My nipples are hard. We all have nipples. So this is what I look like this morning. Happy birthday to you. This is my meal prep. For some reason in the summer, I literally have no desire at all to eat, which is very freaking annoying. And I don't know why. Does anybody else get like that? Like I just don't understand why I don't want to eat. I do want a snack though. So I figure if I make like snack-like foods, kind of like Lunchables, I might eat more. I'm not really hungry. My main like wanting to eat is usually dinner and breakfast. So lunch, I kind of just want a snack. So I made chickpea salad. I have cottage cheese and then cucumber carrots. I'm gonna add these crisp in. And that's gonna be my lunch for the week. Oh, I also have, I bought a couple apples, which I'll be eating freaking peanut butter and hemp seeds. If you've never had that combo, it's so good and it's protein packed. So
every cell screams, stay right here, and my legs, they freeze us in fear. We got time after this, but I need you as my brightest light.
what are you signing?
An official document. I wish I would have had my notary here. Fuck, that'd been great.
So he's signing a document that says he'll clean the cat boxes from the 14th to the 27th if I try his gross ass drink. Do you want to know what the drink is?
It's not gross. It's not gross. It actually tastes pretty good.
Ginger ale and silver tequila. And he's like, oh, it's so good. And I'm not trying it if you try to get me to try it. And then this is what he does. He offers me a deal I cannot refuse. So I read the document. He tried gypping me out of one full day, so I revised the document.
Tequila!
It's a Tuesday night.
Oh. Club's going up on a Tuesday.
You're fucking... You knew that. You knew that.
It was not that bad. You're being a baby.
Dude, tequila just hits me incorrectly. How much do you put in there? Seriously.
Healthy amount.
You smell it when you're like feet away. I knew it. I knew by the scent of it I shouldn't have taken it. Oh, I hate you. Okay, so I got some stuff on Amazon first, and then I got an Abercrombie haul. Abercrombie? I don't know. So I'm actually watching her right now, which is so funny, Sadie Aldis. And she had these cute little hooks for her car seat to hang her purse on behind, like a passenger. And I'm always shoving my purse off onto the passenger person. So I was like, okay, I need those ASAP. And then my friend Al, forever ago, which I'm so excited, we're hanging out with her this weekend, so I'll probably be vlogging on Friday about it. But my friend Al, like months ago, got these cute little trash cans for her cup holders. So I went on Amazon and I found two for $10. But look at this. And then you just push it down. Like, are you kidding me? So I'm actually freaking stoked about this. I'm gonna put both of these in my doors. So yeah, I got two of those and I'll be putting them in my car. I'll probably show you when I do it so you can see how cute they look in there. Now I have a large and in charge haul from Abercrombie that I'm gonna open up. So this is one of them. A cute little tank. I also got that same one in a black one and in a white one. I just really need good basics. Like anytime I've noticed I either have casual comfy clothes or I have going out with my friends and my titties are out clothes. I need those in betweeners. This is the one that I got the black and the pink in as well. And when I tell you, if this uniform of an outfit is all you see me in this summer, I don't care because I look good. I'm obsessed with this tank top though. This is what I was looking for. I wanted the little bit of mid-drift with some high-rise shorts and a croppity doppity. So yeah, I got those in 3 different colors because I think I'm gonna love them. Oh, this is like American Eagle. They're like soft touch brand. It's very soft. But this is this tank top. This I'm pretty sure is an activewear shirt, but I don't care. I'll be wearing it how I want to. My nipples are hard. We all have nipples. But this is the style I was talking about. Just cash, hanging out with friends, going to get a marg on a patio. I don't want to dress up, but I want to look cute. Vibe that I've been trying to go for. So I'm freaking obsessed with this outfit. And the bomb part is, because of the back, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to wear a normal bra with this. And then I got a good basic shirt like this. You can tie it down at the bottom like they have it here. Or I believe you can untie it. The models on the website untied it too. I got that same shirt just in white because I like white and Matt likes me in white. This is the one I got in white as well. Now, is it the most fashion forward thing in the world? No. Is it cute and basic? Just like me? Yes. Will I feel comfortable around my Nana in this? Yes, and that is what I need in my wardrobe. So I got these cute shorts. Hopefully they fit. They kind of look... I'm surprised the shorts fit. Again, there's a little bit of a gap back here, but from the reviews I read online of the mom jeans, that is apparently happening with everybody. And then also, I got these adorable matching sets. You'll notice I'm just a boring bitch. So I got these, they're comfy, they're high-waisted. I got the cute little bralette tanks to go with them. There's no padding in the bra area, so you will see my nipples, but that's okay. And then I also got it in a gray, and then I also got it in a pink. Okay, you could definitely say I'm feeling myself in this. And I'm so excited, I have 3 pairs. So the shorts I got a large in, and then the top I got a medium in because I'm like smaller on the top, a little wider on the hips down there. So I got a large, but honestly I probably could have went with a medium because there's some gapping back here, but I think if I dry them, we might be good. But yeah, I fucking love this for just a cash hanging around the house. It is butter on your skin. It is butter. Oh my God, I freaking love this. So I'm trying a lash lift at home again. But this is a before. You can tell it's grown out, and now the ones that are permed from 6 weeks ago are like long and going into my freaking up here, like into the crack. So I went with bigger pads this time around, so hopefully they're like sticking out more. I know that I can do the process. It's just getting the first couple tries out of the way in order to perfect it. So hopefully this time is good. Okay, so the last clip that you saw, I was perming my eyelashes and it did not go well. I'm happy I did it to have a few tries under my belt before Al's wedding, but holy moly. So this is what I looked like this morning. I woke up at 4 a.m. and was swollen as hell. So I put the perm solution too close to my eyelid and I felt it stinging like relatively right away. And I was like, ah, fuck. So I got a Q-tip and I brushed it away at the base of my eyelid as much as I could. It still burned it that much and I caught it almost like right away. But I just iced it for 30 minutes before I went into work, and then I wore glasses all day. Now it looks like this. So don't get me wrong, it's still bad, but I don't know, it's just so frustrating. I had a hard time putting the lash pad down on this eye because they were permed from previously too much. They were growing inwards like I said yesterday. And I'm going to go in with the spoolie that you get and with the perm solution and brush them down in a couple weeks so that hopefully the next time I do it, it'll be like more seamless. Hopefully, 3rd time's a charm. This poor eye has been through some shit. This is the one that got the balloon to the eyeball. And now it's the one that got swollen and looked a mess today. I still haven't washed my eyes though, but this one turned out so good. Like I do think I got it down. I know the pad size now and I know the process of doing it. I know when the perm solution is too close. I just had to learn the hard way. But I'm excited. I'm about to go put the little tiny trash cans in my car, but I am kind of afraid that they're not gonna fit in there, which would suck in the door because that's what I want. For anybody who wants a reference, this is what it looks like in your cup holders in the middle. The true test. It fucking fits! Oh my God, I'm so excited. All of this, see, this is what I'm talking about, tissues and paper towels, like there's just so many. Look at it in action. Oh my God, best fucking purchase. Now, you go to your rightful home. Beautiful. Okay, now these little hooks go on the back right here, so I'm gonna lift that up real quick. So, here it is. what it looks like on the back, and this is what it looks like hanging out. That literally works perfect. Are you kidding me? Yo, I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I'm about to put one, I'm gonna put the other one on the back of my seat for whoever comes in. And it looks like cute, it doesn't look janky.
Cheers to good times with good friends, and I'm thankful for tonight with you guys. Just hanging out and being in each other's company.
I love you guys.
Love you guys.
Oh lordy, oh lordy.
That was good.
I really was texting out here. I was like, I'm just so happy to hang out and like chill out.
Okay, I'm vlogging.
All right. Okay.
I turned the music off so everybody hates me, but we're currently on our way to a pool party for mainly Cece's friends, but we're definitely acquaintances, friends at this point.
We're
her
definitely
name's
friends.
Liz.
Yeah, you guys are definitely friends. She lived
I just always get too in my head about that. I'm like, people don't really like me. So
Well, that's true. They invited me, and you just happened to come.
that's how I feel. Anyway, so we're going there for a pool party. Can you tell the theme is astrology? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
No, is that what it's like? Is she saying your astrology party?
Sign, yeah. Like,
Okay.
it'd be like your astrology sign.
Okay.
You're supposed to dress as your own astrology sign.
Yeah, that was very hard to do, so I just fucking threw a sign on me, and I'm gonna wear what I want to wear. But I don't know how much I'll vlog there, but I don't preface things enough, so that's what we're doing right now, and you might see some clips. Might not. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you! Let's go! Wait, what did you say? Happy birthday, call me Bill Bimbo! Mommy Milker? Oh, you guys are so cute. All right, ready? Wow, what a good girl.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after.